So this is another image. I don't think that this was on, I'm not sure if it was on one of the other quizzes, but you want to understand this one here, okay? Obviously you got what here? What's this? Okay. What's this here? What part? So it's on the lateral side, it's going to be the, you should know this one, right? Biceps, yeah. And then when you look at the image from the backside here, the one that you're going to see that more superficial right here is going to be the semitendinosus. So then semimembranosus is going to be kind of deep to that. And yeah, because if you see the muscle, if you look at it in three-dimensionally, this one is more of a tendon right here, and then this one actually is more of a membrane. It's kind of it's more like this, whereas the tendinosus is more like this, and it comes to a tendon. Like you feel this here, it's more of a tendon, whereas the other one, if you were going in there deep, it's more of a sheath. So it's more membranous, whereas the other one's more tubular, like a tendon. Okay, so just understand this picture that the one that you're going to see that goes alongside the biceps is going to be the semitendinosus, and the membranosus is deep to that. Okay? And they're both going to go here, except the tendinosus is going to go farther to the pes sensorine, and then the membranosus is going to be shorter. So here you're looking from the medial side, and then you can see where here's the sartorius, the gracilis, and the semitendinosus go down here, whereas the membranosus doesn't go as far distally on the tibia. And then on the side here you got the gluteus max, gluteus medius, TFL, and then the iliotibial band, which goes down to here. And then what inserts on the head of the fibula? What's this muscle here? This is the lateral. Yeah. So then here's the different actions of the muscles. So there's going to be, like I said, the sartorius is going to do medial rotation of the leg and external rotation of the thigh. Okay, so here's the quadriceps, and then there's the rectus femoris, and then underneath the rectus femoris is going to be the vastus medius. And like I said before, those are all going to insert into the tibial tuberosity by way of the patellar ligament. So then there's all the origin insertions of the quadriceps. So then here's going to be gluteus medius. It's going to be a little bit more anterior in relation to the gluteus maximus. It's going to be in here. It's going to do thigh abduction. So as far as trying to differentiate between the different adductor muscles, it's hard to tell, differentiate where you can't really see all the different borders of them. So you just want to know the general location, like the adductor longus is going to be here. So adductor longus is going to go from the pubic area and then more to the middle part of the femur, whereas the magnus is going to go a little bit longer. And then the gracilis is going to be more medial here, and it's going to end up going along with the sartorius into the pes sensorine. And then, I think this is on the list of landmarks of the adductor tubercle. basically it's just following down here, and then, so if you feel the adductor tubercle, then the muscle that's going to insert on there, if you try to adductor thigh, that's going to be the adductor magnus, and then the gracilis is going to go a little bit farther down. So if you're to try to identify the adductor longus, and we can try doing this with palpation, that you can identify the sartorius. Let me turn this here. So if you're going like this, and then so you're trying to do internal rotation, you can feel the sartorius muscle that's coming across here. So it's a little band that's going like that. So if somebody hold on to my, I'm going to do the sartorius. You want to try to do like a sartorius muscle test where you're going to come here and then come here. Okay? So here, there's the sartorius right there, so you can feel it. Because you know it's coming from over here, so you can identify it there. So it's going to go in here, and then press here. So if I'm doing this, you can feel the adductor, and then the one that goes down with the same, it inserts into the same area is going to be the gracilis. It's kind of more, let's see. Because you have the semitendinosus and semimembranosus, and the gracilis is going to come under here. Oh, and then yeah, do the one for the sartorius. Here. The other way. I'm gonna press this way. So then the adductor longus is going to be under the edge of the sartorius here, running this way here, because the adductor magnus goes farther down. So if you find the edge of the sartorius like that, it's going to be up here, and then there's going to be the gracilis. And then the tensor fasciolata, remember if you do the muscle test where the patient's supine and you press it like this, you're going to feel that muscle right here. And then you want to find the tibial tract that goes across here.